Well, Steve, congratulations. What an achievement and what a game. Talk us through your emotions.
Yeah, thank you very much. You know, it's one of them games where everybody knew what was at stake. It's hard to sort of sum up my emotions at the moment. Obviously, over the moon, very happy. You know, it was a tough achievement to get here, considering the start to the season that we had. But we always knew if we could get it to the last game where it was in our hands, we'd stand a chance. Character-wise, we had to be tested today. You know, our goalkeepers made some fantastic saves to keep us, you know, at 2-2, and then, you know, to go and score in the 90th minute to win the game is, you know, outstanding. Really pleased.
Well, Jamie, not the result you wanted here tonight.
No, not at all. Not the result we deserved. We hit the crossbar twice. We've had 3 cleared off the line. We've done more than enough to win a game. First half, we didn't play the way that we can, and second half we came out and played a lot better. But in the first half, we still created enough opportunities to go in front, and then in the second half we've done exactly the same, and we haven't been fortunate enough. Sometimes it's luck, sometimes it's quality, sometimes, you know, it's just a bit of perseverance, and unfortunately it wasn't for us tonight.
Oedd o'n gêm really rhwystredig, really. Oedden nhw wedi setio fyny lot gwell na oedden nhw tro dwytha, obviously, ond oedden nhw'n gwybod iawn be i wneud yn erbyn ni. Ond, efo be sydd wedi digwydd wrth yma a faint o annoying oedd o i ni gorfod o lawr ganol wsos, oedden ni'n madrodd 23 yn bora. So, oedden ni'n dod yma efo lot mwy o gythral heddiw, a oedden ni'n gwybod bod ni'n mynd i ennill, oedden ni'n confidence, chos, rhaid ni brofi pwynt.
Amazing backroom staff, amazing manager, amazing team. I'm just very thankful for this moment right here. And the team that we have, and going into that top 4, what we can go on to do next.